In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add vignette on a photo on your iPhone 15, 15 Pro or 15 Pro Max. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and first off, open up Photos app and then search for a photo you need to edit. Once you find one, just tap on it to open it up and then tap at Edit to turn on Edit mode. After that, once it is done, just drag these icons to the left until at the very right position you will find that vignette effect, and then we can, by dragging this scale right or left, increase or reduce vignette effect on our photo. As you can see, now it darkens corners and edges of our photo. Once you find the desired level of the effect, to save the changes, tap right here at Done. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.